Hi there guys, I just got this super cool wireless smart otoscope. So an otoscope is something that cleans your ears, and this thing is really cool because it has LED lights and a camera so that you can actually see what's happening inside your ear. And it's really nice because you can watch that through a camera that you can connect on your phone or your iPad. So all you have to do is download the app Xiao. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna be the top left one, the top left blue one right here with this icon. So I'm gonna download it on my iPad right now. I figure if the screen's better, it'll be a lot easier. So I'm gonna open it up right now. And the app downloaded really quickly. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in here. This is what it all looks like, along with the instructional video QR code. So this is going to be the otoscope itself, the charger, and this thing has a port on the bottom right here. These are like the little heads that you can change, and then there's like a whole set of other pieces that you can add on to the top right here. So that's very cool. And I'm just gonna follow the app instructions right now on here. Let's see. So it has the instructions right here for you to follow, and you are gonna wanna make sure to connect to the app that you are on a specific Wi-Fi. Let's see. So you're gonna wanna take your otoscope and press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. And you know that it's on because the little blue light right here turned on. And then you're gonna connect to the app, connect to the Wi-Fi name, Enjoy XXX in the Wi-Fi list. Okay, I just found it, connected to it, and then you're gonna go back to your app. It says that it's connected, and I can actually see what's going on in the camera right here on my iPad. I am pointing it at myself. You can see my face right here. That's so cool. That's crazy. And that's super easy to connect. All right, so it's super simple. Basically, you have a couple different kinds of heads on here that you can add. I'm just gonna keep the one that was originally on here. And if you want, you could even change the other part to it, which you put the blue thing on. Let's see if I can open this box. There we go. So there's all these little tools in here that you can switch out, even a brush. And what's nice about this product is that it is stainless steel and the camera is waterproof, so you can wash this as well, and it's not gonna rust. It's gonna stay nice and clean and still amazing quality. So I'm gonna start cleaning my ear right now and show you guys kind of what it looks like on the iPad right here. Let's see. That is crazy. Can you guys see in my ear right there? But what's really nice about this is that it's so teeny tiny that you can bring it with you anywhere. So you can travel with it if you want, and it's rechargeable. So it's super easy, convenient to use, and I mean, it's gonna keep you clean. It's gonna keep you nice and hygienic. So I think it's amazing. as someone who gets earwax a lot, this is super convenient. So I really recommend that you guys get one of these, especially if you have a kid as well who suffers from lots of earwax. If they get ear infections a lot, this is going to be perfect.